Namaskar and welcome to Adi Yoga. Rishi Patanjali very well put yoga into segment that later become 8 limbs of yoga. How a yogi uses yoga to manifest and how you can manifest using yoga. In manifestation, people think something miraculous will happen. No. You have to go through these 8 phases. Yam, niyam is the very first thing. Your discipline and your rules. You don't break your rules. What is supposed to be done shall be done. And later on you reaches to Dharana. What is Dharana? Consider Dharana something like this. Let's suppose you're going from 9 to 5 into your professional space, the job. You go to your office. But during that office timing, how many times you get out of the office environment in your mind? You're not working entirely 9 to 5, no. Sometimes you are making coffee, taking rest, thinking about your home, thinking about what you will do when you go home. So you are not entirely available. But when you are available for a particular cause is dharana. So you have to be available for your cause, whatever it may be, whatever is your goal, be available for that. When you are available, then comes Dhyana. Dhyana means, though you have already decided, but somewhere it is already lingering in your head. Though you are driving from place A to B, but that goal is lingering somewhere all the time. That becomes Dhyana, slowly, automatically. Then you achieve it. How yoga can help in manifestation? We created a course around it to manifest in reality. It's the only course available, otherwise you will find books and all the stuff. There's nobody to take responsibility. I'm here to take responsibility. You manifest. By practicing yoga, you become available. Your personality becomes stable in present moment. You become actionable. And whatever your goal is, you slowly. It could be faster too. Do not expect miracles, but it happens for sure. This is what I want to bring into your notice, how rishis has already sorted out your whole life. Some people take this consultation that I offer and I give them solution for everything, for their relationship, for their physical, mental, emotional health, for their spiritual growth and enlightenment, so-called enlightenment, manifestation and whatnot, through yoga only, nothing else. Because everything has already been, the foundation has been laid by the rishis already. Now it's your job to act on it. And if you need my consultation for astrology, for manifestation, you need to start the course just feel free to write down an email. Email ID is in the description as well, and I think it's flashing down there in the screen too. And I'll see you next time. I hope you will act. Pranam.